Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, 15 secrets of bouncing back from failure. We all face setbacks in life, but what sets successful individuals apart is their ability to bounce back stronger. In this video, we'll explore some valuable secrets backed by real-life examples. Let's dive in. Secret number 1, embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Michael Jordan, the basketball legend, was famously cut from his high school team, but he used it as motivation to improve his skills and became one of the greatest players of all time. Secret number 2, cultivate a growth mindset. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced numerous rejections before finding a publisher. She persevered, believed in her talent, and eventually became one of the most successful authors in history. Secret number 3, surround yourself with a support network. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur, experienced multiple failures with his companies. However, he had a strong support system that believed in his ideas and helped him bounce back stronger each time. Secret number 4, develop resilience and adaptability. Oprah Winfrey, the media mogul, faced several challenges throughout her career. By remaining resilient and adapting to changing circumstances, she built an empire and became an influential figure worldwide. Secret number 5, set realistic goals and break them down into smaller milestones. Serena Williams, the tennis champion, has faced setbacks and injuries. However, she sets achievable goals, focuses on continuous improvement, and celebrates each milestone along the way. Secret number 6, learn from your mistakes and make adjustments. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His relentless pursuit of success showcases the importance of learning from failures. Secret number 7, practice self-reflection and introspection. Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, was ousted from his own company. During his time away, he reflected on his mistakes and personal growth, leading to his triumphant return and Apple's iconic success. Secret number 8, maintain a positive attitude and belief in yourself. Beyoncé, the renowned singer and performer, faced setbacks early in her career. Through self-belief and a positive mindset, she persisted, ultimately becoming one of the most influential artists in the industry. Secret number 9, seek inspiration from others. Walt Disney, the visionary behind Disney, experienced multiple failures and rejections. However, he drew inspiration from his idols and created an empire that continues to inspire generations worldwide. Secret number 10, take calculated risks and step out of your comfort zone. Richard Branson, the business magnate, has had both successes and failures. He emphasizes the importance of taking risks, learning from failures, and pushing boundaries to achieve greatness. Secret number 11, practice self-care and prioritize well-being. Arianna Huffington, the founder of the Huffington Post, experienced burnout before realizing the significance of self-care. By prioritizing well-being, she achieved remarkable success and became a proponent of work-life balance. Secret number 12, find meaning and purpose in your pursuits. Nelson Mandela, the iconic leader, faced countless obstacles and setbacks during his fight against apartheid. His unwavering commitment to justice and equality helped him overcome adversity and transform a nation. Secret number 13, stay focused on your long-term vision. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, encountered failures before revolutionizing e-commerce. His unwavering focus on long-term goals, customer centricity, and innovation paved the way for Amazon's global dominance. Secret number 14, practice perseverance and never give up. Colonel Harlan Sanders, the founder of KFC, faced rejection from over 1,000 restaurants before finding success. His perseverance and determination demonstrate the power of never giving up on your dreams. Secret number 15, celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder of Facebook, encountered setbacks but celebrated each milestone along the way. Recognizing achievements boosts motivation and helps maintain a positive mindset. And there you have it, 15 secrets of bouncing back from failure, illustrated by inspiring real-life examples. Remember, setbacks are a part of life, but how you respond to them can shape your future success. Embrace failure, cultivate resilience, and never stop believing in yourself. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay resilient and keep bouncing back.